Chainlink update on the weekly Gaussian channel. When the hell could we possibly turn this green? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's forecast it out. Looking at these loosely fit, highly sketchy, randomly drawn curve lines, we could estimate potentially the first earliest sign, bestest case scenario for the weekly Gaussian channel for Chainlink to turn green. We're probably going to be late Q4 of this year. The best case scenario. Now, let's keep in mind, for that to happen, we are going to need prices to rally now, like right now, right? This is if prices just continue to, on a tear, get above $8 tomorrow, $9 the next. No, I'm just kidding. But basically, we would have to continue the trajectory that we're on. We would have to really be, above $9 come Halloween time, late October, and then continue up to get some kind of a curve like this. So is that likely? Probably not. Is it possible? Of course, anything's possible. But this is kind of the best case scenario. We're looking at the absolute best case scenario for Chainlink to turn a green weekly Gaussian channel, which once that happens again, right, good things can happen. So that way I would put that best case at that point. Now, what the hell is this? This is our resistance zone that's been in effect for 78 years now. Going back to our previous peak in August of 2022, we can put it on. Now, you might wonder what the hell, why does it look like that? Well, it's the closing prices. If you want traditional candles there we go, right? It gets the closing all in. It's easier to draw support and resistance levels, zones, all that good stuff. So that's what we're looking at, starting from just over $8 and going up to just under $9, right? So as soon as we flip the $9 area, we take out the median line on the Gaussian channel, which is around 8. We take out the 200 week, which is up here just above 9, and then we can start cooking, right? Chainlink will highly likely start moving much more big once we can take out the 9 level, the 200 week. All the good stuff happens there. So best case scenario, get above 9 as quick as possible. That's what we're looking for. Until Chainlink can do that, we're stuck in purgatory, mountainous, ravenous hell down here, right? So we could now keep in mind also, if this time next month in October, we're still at, under $8 or November or whatever, right? Every month that we're not above this zone is a month you can drag this line out, right? So if it's the best case scenario of the turning green is late Q4 now, right? Like say November, December 1st, I would go with that. That would be the best case if prices continue straight up. Unlikely, right? So every month that we're not above 9 we're delaying that down the line, right? So if, August 8th, if, September 8th is around and we're still at the same prices, you could put that towards probably January 1st of 2024 being the earliest, right? You catching the drift there? All right, hopefully that makes sense. We have to get above this zone. It's just been unsuccessful for all of eternity, right? Once we do that, Chainlink will break free, right? Until then, we're in jail with all your favorite aunts and uncles, right? So that's that, right? Chainlink quick update. Just figured I'd talk about that. What are the questions you got? What do you want to see next? Leave me a comment below. I'll try to read all those. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're trying to make a move higher, right? We need to get above 55. Maybe we can get a breakout here. Altcoin Season Index, we're at 29. We need to put in a higher high and not a lower high, right? That's what we're looking to do for altcoins to break out. I think Bitcoin's going to have to be, holding steady above 30K again. So watch for that. Quote of the day, when one must, one can. If you got to do it, you probably can do it, right? All right. Car of the day, Mercedes AMG GT convertible in the satin paint. I mean, just pretty epic there. If I was going to get anything other than yellow supercar, it'd probably be this. This is pretty good. All right. I'll wrap it up there. Chainlink stuck in sideways hill. When will we break out? Above 9. That should have been obvious in the video. God damn. I'll see you on the next one.